So you might be in a situation where for some reason you want to go and make your Instagram account private on your particular iPhone, Android, whatever device you have. Now look, for you, it's a very basic process. It really doesn't take too much time at all. The very first thing you're going to want to do is you want to load into Instagram just like so. And you want to go and make your way over into your profile app that's going to come up in the bottom right. So tap inside of your profile icon, and then you'll come into this page. Now what you're going to want to do here is you want to click on the top right corner when you see these three lines that are in the top right corner. So then when you go and do that, what you want to do is you want to go and click on settings. So tap into settings, and then this next page is going to come up. Now what you're going to want to do here is you're going to see a little privacy option that comes up right here. So go and click on privacy, and then this next page is going to come up. Now at the very top, there's going to be a little option right there that says private account. So all you're really going to want to do there is you want to go and tap into this little panel right there, and you want to go and basically toggle that on. So what's going to happen then is that that's going to go and get toggled on, and then what you're going to be able to do there is that your particular account is going to work basically normally, but essentially it's going to be a private account, so you won't be able to see basically what's going on here. So now what's going to happen is that whenever somebody views your account or whatever the case is, it'll still look fine on your end, but they just will see nothing. They won't see anything unless they follow you. So if they follow you, then all the information is going to go through as normal. But if they don't follow you, then essentially they're not going to be able to see anything. So that's basically how that works. It's a pretty basic process. Essentially, if you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.